Hey, this is Brian, and this is Mike, and thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. Today, we are going on an adventure. We're not gonna say what we're gonna do yet. But first, we need to get some coffee from this barn that we found that says cafe and pie shop. So let's go get some coffee.
Bodacious.
Bodacious coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's bodacious blueberry pie.
We could get one of them too.
All right, well, let's go get some coffee and then we'll go on the road. Mike and I were in this place and the lady looked really bored, but her pies looked very amazing.
Yeah.
And she gave us free pie, and I don't really like pumpkin pie.
I'll eat it.
Do you want it? And I felt bad, so I bought a coffee even though I didn't really want one. She was so nice, I couldn't say no. She's a crazy salesperson. It's raining right now. It's not raining all that bad.
It's about to get real.
But there are snow trucks with plows and excessive amounts of salt because we're supposed to get a blizzard, and her name is Quinn. It's actually not bad. This is kind of a weird thing. You were right.
I told you. Come back here.
Oh, it's a secured site. Wonder why.
Yeah, wonder.
We're here. All right, so we have arrived. We are here at Ferrari. In case you're wondering, what do they do with all the Ferraris when it snows? They put them inside, so let's go take a look around and see what's here.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Look at the size of these brakes. They're bigger than my head. Is that a thunder snowstorm? What the heck is a thunder snowstorm? I didn't think that was possible.
Wow, holy cow. I'm outside and there's like legit lightning. What the heck? I've never seen that before.
Just in case we all die, there's a lightning thunder there's a lightning thunder snowstorm.
I've never seen that before.
Is that possible?
I've never seen that before in my
We need
Mike, you're gonna die.
Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
All right, so we've had a great time today at Ferrari. Got to see all these amazing cars, and we might have some surprise videos in the near future. However, right now it is snowing like a blizzard and it's thundering, which I've never heard before. Didn't really know what's possible, but we're going to make the trek to lunch first, and then we're gonna go home.